Turn off emergency alerts notifications. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn off emergency alerts notifications. Go to your Twitter, click on your profile and click on setting and privacy, click on notifications, click on preference, and you will find here push notifications. Tap on it, scroll down, and you will find emergency alerts. Tap on it and you can turn off emergency alerts notifications on your Twitter application. Easy and quick. And this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and see you on the next video.